Hi, my name is Aina Nadra binti Muhammad Ishaimi, matrix ID PB20078, and my group members are Nurin and Naziatul. Now I will begin my part, which is the project background in introduction. Our project title is Car Distance Sensor, and one of the most important factors for us to build this project system was due to analysis of road accident statistics in our country. A total of 1.2 million road accidents were recorded on Malaysian roads from 2021 till August 2023, with 13,516 deaths. It is to be said that the accidents happen mostly because of drivers tailgating. There are careless and reckless driving habits of drivers. Thus, our system is to enhance vehicle and driver safety. Objectives are to create a system that can alert the driver when approaching cyclists, pedestrians, or any objects that potentially collide with the vehicle, and to design an alarm system that could provide an indicator to the user in form of display, light, and sound system. This is the block diagram for our car distance sensor.
Flowchart. We have the programming flowchart where when the system is start, the distance sensor will display a car distance that has been detected on the LCD. So it will show there, like for example, the distance is 40 meter, and then it shows at the LCD 40 meter, and it's too close. It's something like that. And then the LED will turn on, which when it is near to the distance, the car is near to the distance sensor, the red LED will light up. And then if and vice versa happens. Okay, so next, and then here, as you can see in the flow chart, start the display car distance detector on LCD. All LED and motor is off as we didn't start the system yet, and then there's some delay. And then detect distance from sensor. So if this happen, if distance is higher than 50, LCD display safe and LED green on and motor start at a full speed. Motor on at a full speed. But if it not, the distance which we put in the system is larger than 40, LCD lower than 40, the LCD will display slow down and LED blue turn on, and the motor will turn with a medium speed. When the distance is lower than 30, the LCD will display too near, LED yellow on, and the motor speed at a low speed. And then if the distance is lower than 20, the LED will display stop, LED red on, and the motor will automatically turn off. And then if we push on the interrupt button, which is the emergency button, the buzzer will make a sound. The LCD will stop display anything, and LED will blink 5 times, the motor off and the buzzer on, so it clears the interrupt. And then the process continue like that. I'm Nurin Jazina Maisara binti Hamzah, TB21054. Today I am going to present on the methodology of how we create the car distance sensor system. So first and foremost, a few components we have been used, which they are at Mega 64, LED, LCD, buzzer, ultrasonic sensor, and a motor driver. So each of these component has its own functionality. So as for LCD, it is to display the distance that is detected by the ultrasonic sensor. So with the ultrasonic sensor acts as our distance sensor, and then there will be motor driver for us to connect to the DC motor So the motor is running, and in this system the motor will be running based on its speed, where the how do we say it, the nearer the car is, the lower of speed the motor will turn. Okay, and then we have buzzer, which will start when our interrupt button, which is emergency button, push, and then there will be LED to indicate the near and far of the car to our sensor. Okay, below is the schematic diagram that have been drawn using Proteus software. In conclusion, the car distance detector project has achieved its objective by creating a practical system that integrates multiple components, include ultrasonic sensor, LCD, LED, and Atmega 64. For providing the driver real-time distance data, the main objective is to increase the driving safety. The message on LCD display change depending on the distance and convey distance related information. For instance, it turns on the red LED and displays stop when the distance is 30 meters and less, indicating the need to stop. After more than 50 meters, it shows safe. After more than 50 meters, it shows safe, speeds up the motor and emits the green LED. By hitting the switch interrupt in an emergency, the motor is stopped and the LED is blinking when triggered. When the problem is fixed, the system resumes its regular operation. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.